Conversation in Tigrinya Part 1 ዝርርብ በቋንቋ ትግርኛ ቀዳማይ ክፋል General greeting, morning greeting, responses, and saying goodbye. General greeting. Salam. Salam. Salam meaning hello or hi. It is a short form of may peace be upon you. Morning greeting. Greeting one female. كمي حديركي. كمي حديركي. كمي حديركي. Greeting one male. كمي حديركا. كمي حديركا. حديركي. حديركا. They both mean how was your night? How was your night? Greeting two or more females. كمي حديركن. كمي حديركن. Greeting two or more males. كمي حديركم. كمي حديركم. حديركن. حديركم. Greeting a mix of males and females. كمي حديركم. كمي حديركم. 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 They all mean how was your night? How was your night? Responding to morning greeting. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን meaning thanks to God. Or አምላክ ይመስገን. አምላክ ይመስገን. አምላክ ይመስገን meaning thanks to God. Or ጽቡቅ አምላክ ይመስገን. ጽቡቅ አምላክ ይመስገን meaning good or fine thanks to God. Saying goodbye in the morning. Saying goodbye to one female. دحان وعلي. دحان وعلي. دحان وعلي. Saying goodbye to one male. دحان وعل. دحان وعل. وعلي. وعل. They both mean may you have a good day. Saying goodbye to two or more females. دحن وعلا. دحن وعلا. دحن وعلا. Saying goodbye to two or more males. دحن وعلو. دحن وعلو وعلى وعلو. Saying goodbye to a mix of males and females. دحن وعلو دحن وعلو وعلو وعلو. They all mean may you have a good day. يغني الليل يغني الليل